So my rooster is teaching a lesson to my puppy. He knows which animals he can play with and which ones he cannot play with. It's really, really funny. That's one of my really, really good roosters. Yeah, and there's another one. Oh yes, you're handsome. Yeah, look at you guys. Such handsome roosters. Oh yeah, you still want some, Teddy? Oh, look at those roosters. Oh, look at that. Huh? Oh, and the turkey's good. Let's release the turkeys real quick. Who's handsome and attractive, huh? One of you went into the fridge. Oh yes, you are. Perfect, idealistic life. I love the sound of that rooster. Yes, you are sweet girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's your fifth one? You're stuck in there? I'm checking for eggs from the turkeys, but I don't see anything. Let's see if my sweet hen... Oh, that's where you're at. Are you the culprit that sometimes pecks my eggs? You come out of here. Shoo, shoo. This is the chicken's area, not yours. And yes, I do have an egg. A perfect egg. Yeah. You need to come out of there. This is not for you. Let's see if my other chicken started laying eggs. No, not yet? Okay. I have one chicken that gives me a phenomenal egg every day. And I just cut them with the rooster together. So she's gonna be giving me a fertilized egg. Right now, all of the eggs I get, I put in my incubator.